Faced with growing demand and capacity constraints, the customer turned to Eascan for a solution to scale their production of a key part. We designed and implemented a custom machine tending robotic cell that streamlined their workflow, significantly reduced manual labor, and increased overall throughput. The automation not only met the surge in orders, but also freed up resources and created additional capacity to take on new parts, future-proofing their operations and positioning them for continued growth. At Eascan Automation, we design and build custom automation solutions that solve real production challenges. Our team of engineers, designers, and programmers work across industries to deliver robotic cells, control panels, and fully integrated systems tailored to your specific needs. If you're facing production bottlenecks or planning to scale, let's talk. Eascan can help you unlock new capacity and drive your operations forward.